Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth not working on your Google Pixel 8 Pro. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap on the gear icon to open up your settings. This is where you'll find all the system configuration options for your device. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you see an option labeled System. Go ahead and tap on it to access your device's core system settings. Now, within the System menu, continue scrolling down until you locate Reset Options. This section contains various reset features that can help resolve connectivity issues and restore certain functions to their default state. Tap on Reset Options to proceed. Next, you'll see several reset choices available. Look for the option that says Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and tap on it. This particular reset is specifically designed to clear any corrupted network settings that might be preventing your Bluetooth from functioning properly. It won't delete your personal data or apps, but it will remove saved Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth pairings, so keep that in mind. Once you tap on Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, a confirmation message will appear on your screen. This is just a safety measure to ensure you actually want to proceed with the reset, since you'll need to repair your Bluetooth devices and reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks afterward. Go ahead and tap Reset to confirm your action. Your device will now process the reset and clear all Bluetooth and Wi-Fi settings. This should resolve any underlying issues causing your Bluetooth to malfunction, whether it's difficulty pairing with devices, frequent disconnections, or Bluetooth not turning on at all. And that's it. Your Bluetooth issue should now be fixed and you can start pairing your devices fresh. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.